Okay, these are some of the great ingredients used to cook and create Jamaican dishes. Here we have grace coconut milk powder, used to cook rice and peas, Jamaican rice and peas, use it stew peas, cooking on your fish you use it as well, use in many dishes. Here we have Maggi season up. Maggi season up come in jerk, chicken flavor, fish, all purpose. Alongside we have browning, grace browning, used to get, we want your meat to look that white when you're cooking. Liquor browning, color it up to your like. We have Maggi soup it up. Cooking your soup. You use Maggi season up on in your meats as well. Flavor to your likes. Season up, Maggi season up come in sachet packs, and you will get various different types like chicken, fish, all purpose, with ginger, jerk. Okay, alright, these are some of the herbs we buy in the Jamaican market now to make dishes as well. So here we have scallion and thyme. Yes, it's a scallion and thyme. Very flavorful in your cooking and dishing. Here we have pumpkin. Yes, this is pumpkin. We have carrots. We have okra. We have onion. We have pimento seed. We have garlic. We have Scotch bonnet pepper. We have sweet pepper. Here we have excelsa water crackers. Oh, and this is Jamaica curry powder, the great curry powder for your curry goat and curry dishes. So this is just a few of the ingredients used to cook and create Jamaican and Caribbean dishes.